Michael Klepacz discovered his passion for sustainability after facing life-altering challenges in the Air Force. His journey led to the founding of Natural Materials, revolutionizing hemp and linen-based textiles in Poland. The company's mission is simple yet profound: sustainability woven into every fabric and business decision. Initially managing production with spreadsheets, they soon discovered this method just wasn't cutting it anymore. Struggling with inefficiencies, Klepacz embarked on a quest for the perfect production management solution. After an extensive search, he stumbled upon MRPeasy, a software that finally fulfilled their complex needs. It worked. Klepacz enthused, as the system made it easier to manage numerous production details. The intuitive nature of MRPeasy allowed for smooth implementation, despite occasional employee learning curves. Minimizing stockout risks became reality, ensuring timely production and ecstatic customer satisfaction for Natural Materials. This innovative textile manufacturer has set a benchmark for sustainable business practices in the industry.